Section 1. A creamy, dreamy introduction. Paneer Butter Masala. Imagine a dish so flavorful and aromatic. A dish that tantalizes your taste buds. That dish is Paneer Butter Masala. It's a symphony of flavors. Creamy, tangy, and rich. It's no wonder this North Indian delicacy has captured hearts globally. Paneer Butter Masala is a true crowd pleaser. It's a staple at Indian restaurants worldwide. This dish features soft, melt-in-your-mouth paneer cheese. The paneer is simmered in a luxuriously smooth tomato-based gravy. This gravy is a magic blend of spices and butter. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. It's a testament to the rich culinary heritage of India. Each bite is an explosion of flavor. It's a dish that leaves you wanting more. Let's delve into the heart of this iconic dish. Section 2. A journey through time. History and origins. The origins of paneer butter masala are as rich and layered as the dish itself. While the exact origins are debated, one thing's for sure: it's a relatively recent addition to India's culinary landscape. Some food historians believe it originated in the 1950s. They say it was created in the kitchens of Delhi. Imagine a bustling restaurant. Chefs experimented with new flavors. They combined fresh tomatoes, butter, and cream. Thus, Paneer Butter Masala was born. Others believe it evolved from traditional butter chicken recipes. Regardless of its exact beginnings, one thing is clear: Paneer Butter Masala quickly gained popularity. It became a beloved dish across India and beyond. Section 3. The magic of masala. Ingredients and their significance. The magic of paneer butter. Masala lies in its ingredients. Each element plays a crucial role. Fresh ingredients are key to unlocking the authentic flavors. Start with paneer, the star of the show. This Indian cheese is known for its mild taste. It absorbs the flavors of the gravy beautifully. Then comes the gravy. Ripe tomatoes form the base, providing a tangy sweetness. Onions add depth and complexity. The masala itself is a symphony of spices. Fragrant cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon add warmth. Ginger and garlic provide a pungent kick. Finally, a generous dose of butter and cream lends a luscious richness. Section 4. Crafting culinary delights. A step-by-step guide. Creating paneer butter. Masala at home is an adventure. It's a chance to experience the joy of Indian cooking. Here's a simple guide. First, prepare your ingredients. Chop the onions, tomatoes, and ginger garlic. Grind the spices for a more intense flavor. Next, sauté the onions until golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and spices. Allow them to release their aromas. Simmer the tomatoes until they soften. Then blend into a smooth puree. Now, add the paneer and a touch of butter. Let it simmer in the gravy. Finally, add cream for richness. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Your paneer butter masala is ready. Section 5. A timeless classic. Paneer butter masala's enduring appeal. Paneer Butter Masala holds a special place in the hearts and homes of many. It's more than just a dish. It's a symbol of celebration. It's a reminder of family gatherings and special occasions. I remember my grandmother making this dish. The aroma would fill the entire house. It was a sign that something special was about to happen. Her recipe was legendary. It was passed down through generations. Today, Paneer Butter Masala continues to connect people. It transcends borders and cultures. It's a testament to the power of food to bring people together. So next time you crave a taste of India, try your hand at making Paneer Butter Masala. It's a culinary adventure you won't forget.